So you can't see on this side, this caliper, it's all loosened off, the handbrake's off, but the handbrake isn't releasing or going back to normal. So just try and remove this. So we find these pipe wrenches work well for this. So, release that off. So, what happens, the water gets inside this cable and it corrodes inside and sticks to the sleeve. That's that release that side. Do the same on the other side. So just pull the cable off these clips. So there's the clip. So on the other side, this clip's easy to see on this one, so just pull that off. So there's the clip, and then give it the pipe wrenches, just move it to break the corrosion. Just pull it off this clip here, and just remove the cable. Another clip. And then there's a plastic one there. One side. Let's see, the cable goes behind the heat shield, so I'm just going to drop the exhaust. So with the exhaust just lowered a bit and the heat shield just disconnected, pull that out. And pull that out. Right, now you can see the handbrake there just above the heat shield. Loosen that off. So, out there. You can see where the handbrake joins. So, So just poke that through and twist it. I can't video while I'm doing it. So you can see that's now on the T-piece. So next thing is to put these bits into those hooks up there. You can see it's now, you can see that's now hooked through those. So now it's just a case of routing the cable back to the brake calipers. So obviously just put them back where you took the old one off. So this clip here, you can see it, just goes into that one. Again, I'm probably going to have to move the axle stand just to clip that in there. Right, so get the cable through the hole. Don't forget, we're going to have to put the clip on there in a minute. So, and then we've got to pull this down and get that cable over there. So there's the cable in. Don't forget, I've got the handbrake loosened off, so that's what's giving me that slack to go in. Once I tighten up the handbrake cable inside the car, it should take away all this slack onto the other side. So again, get the cable through the hole. Gonna have to put a clip on here again, don't forget. And there we go. So that's back in on this side. Again, don't forget we've got this clip to put on, and we've got some clips just to put on, routing the cable back to the handbrake. So these clips that we took off earlier, slide them in place. There's one done. Do the other side. And push it through. And get the clip in place. So that's these two done. So all we need to do now is install the other clips on the cable to keep it nice and tight out of the way. Not sure if something went wrong with the video in that, but we've put the cable in onto this clip and just push through there. Clip, don't know if you can see it there, but the clip to hold the cable in place, and we put another clip back in to hold the cable on the bottom of this suspension piece. So back into the car, time to tighten up the handbrake cable. So clicks. So we see this is just dragging slightly, so that's just a little bit too tight. So just back it off a bit again. So just check again. Maybe a little bit tight still. I'll just do half a turn again. That one seems okay. So that's the brake adjusted. Just got to put those rest of those clips in and just check it again. So that's the handbrake cable done. All I've got to do now is refit the exhaust and the heat shields, and that's the job completed. So thanks for watching, and please catch me in another video. Cheers.